Today I'm going to take C basic class 10 science notes. Chapter 1 Chemical reactions and equations. So let's get started. Chemical reactions and equations. What's the definition of chemical reactions and equation? Balanced and unbalanced chemical equation. Balancing of chemical equation. Okay. It is also balanced and unbalanced chemical equation. And what is a chemical reaction? The transformation of chemical substance into another chemical substance is known as chemical reaction. The transformation of chemical substance. A chemical substance is formed to another chemical substances is known as a chemical reaction. For example, rusting of iron, the milk into a curd. Rusting of iron is happening in the everyday life. Milk is also becoming curd and digestion of food. We are digesting food and respiration, etc. I will say another example. 1 minute. Like Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So Mg is reactant and Mg plus O2 also reactant. Okay, MgO is product. Okay, did you know about reactant and product? So what is a reactant? The new substance is magnesium oxide here, formed during the reaction as a product. So I will say about reactant and product. So the reactant are written on the left hand side LHS with plus sign between them. Next is about a product. This is about reactant. So what is product? Product are written on the right hand side RHS with also plus sign they have. Difference between the product and reactant is contained in the LHS left hand side and it is in the right hand side. Okay. So I think you understand it. In a chemical reaction, a substance is formed which is completely different in properties from the original substance. So in a chemical reaction, a chemical change takes place. Did you know in a chemical reaction, a chemical change takes place? Surely it takes place. A new substance is formed in a chemical reaction, completely different in the properties. Okay, only a rearrangement of atoms takes place in a chemical reaction. What type of atom will takes place in a chemical reaction? Rearrangement atoms takes place in a chemical reaction. The substance which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactant. Substance which take part in a chemical reaction, it is known as reactant. Okay, reactant. And the new substance produced as a result of chemical reaction are called the new substance is providing for a chemical reaction is products. What is reactant? The substance which take part in a chemical reaction is a reactant and a new substance is forming for a chemical reaction is product. Okay, and move to the example in the class 10th first chapter figure 1.1 you can see the example is that the burning of magnesium in the air to form magnesium oxide is an example of chemical reaction. Okay, 2 mg. Okay, 2 mg O2 gives 2 mgO. 2 mg plus O2 gives. So 2 mg plus O2 is what? Reactant and 2 mgO is product. Okay. Before burning in air, the magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with a sandpaper. Before we are going to burn the magnesium ribbon in the air, we want to clean or rub it with the sandpaper. We want to rub with what? Sandpaper or clean it. Okay. Okay. So this is done to remove the protective layer of basic magnesium carbonate from the surface magnesium bar. We are using the sandpaper because to remove the protective layer of the magnesium. surveys. Okay, what is a reactant here saying? Substance which take part in a chemical reaction that we here see say. Example, reactant example is what? Mg plus O2. The new substance formed after a chemical reaction. It is formed after also a chemical reaction. It's known as product. So its example is MgO. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So characteristics of chemical reaction, evolution of gas. The chemical reaction between what? Zinc and dilute sulfuric acid is characterized by evolution of hydrogen gas. What is known as evolution of gas? The chemical reaction between two things, zinc and dilute sulfuric acid, characterized by the evolution of hydrogen gas. So here you can see ZnS plus H2SO4 AQ gives ZnSO4 plus H2. It's an example. Zn plus H2O gives ZnSO4. So change in color. The chemical reaction between before that I will introduce one thing, I forgot it. Okay, how we know a chemical reaction takes place in a solution. How we know a chemical reaction takes place in a solution? Through some things we know how is the chemical reaction takes place. There are 4 points to know the chemical reaction takes place in a solution. Let's go. So here you can see how a chemical reaction takes place in 4 points. Change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature. So you can see, first of all I introduce about evolution of gas. What is the evolution of gas is between zinc and dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, so you can write it down, the evolution of gas. So you can see change in color. The chemical reaction between, here the chemical reactions is between. So here you can see the change in color definition. The chemical reaction between citric acid and purple colored potassium permanent solution is characterized by change in color. Okay, these things will change in color when the solution takes place. Citric acid, purple colored potassium permanate. Okay, chemical reaction between sulfur dioxide gas and acidified potassium solution is characterized by change in color from orange. If you take sulfur dioxide gas or acidified potassium, it's change color from orange to green. Okay, so here you can see the change in state. The suspension reaction of candle wax is characterized by a change in state from solid to liquid. It will change the state solid to liquid and gas, because wax is a solid. After formed by the combination of wax is liquid at room temperature, where carbon oxide produced by the composition of wax is a gas. There are some chemical reactions which can show more than one character. So in change in state, its color will. So when we are taking the wax is a solid, so it is formed into liquid at room temperature. Okay, so these are the change in state. So change in temperature. The chemical reaction between quicklime water to form slaked lime is characterized by change in temperature. The quicklime formed from water to slaked lime. It is a formation of change in temperature. So zinc granules and dilute sulfuric acid is also characterized by change in temperature. These things will get change in temperature. Okay. Last of all is formation of precipitate. The chemical reaction between sulfuric acid and beryllium characterized by the formation of white precipitate of beryllium sulfate. The chemical reaction between what? The sulfur dioxide and beryllium chloride solution is characterized by the formation of white precipitate of beryllium sulfate. The example they given here, BaCl 1 2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 2HCl. Okay. Okay, thanks. In the formation of vertebrate you study that some of the examples are given here. What substance which is insoluble in water is vertebrate. What substance which can insoluble in, so the insoluble substance formed is known as vertebrate. What is known as vertebrate? A white substance which is insoluble in water is formed. This insoluble substance formed is known as vertebrate. Any reaction that provides a vertebrate can be called vertebrate solution. If any reaction provides a vertebrate solution, so that we can say it is a vertebrate reaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.